absolutely clean window washing coming to you with a home near Annandale, Minnesota. We're pressure washing, doing the windows inside and out. We've already done the windows inside the home. Now we're pressure washing the outside. When we're done with that, we're going to do the windows. Pretty high part of the home here. We're using a pretty tall ladder. We've already used a different pressure washing wand and got to the top there. We did the soffit and the fascia. We switched to a little shorter pole, a little easier to control on the ladder. And we're going to do half of this side. From the peak straight down, we're going to do half of it. And then we're going to move the ladder up on this retaining wall here. And we're going to do the other half. Very beautiful home here on a lake in Annandale, Minnesota. .500 PSI, turbo nozzle, angled tip. We don't like to spray up, we like to spray down. You don't want to get water in your siding, behind your siding, and possibly in your walls in your home. We're very cautious about this procedure, and we are fully insured in case any water was to come in. We've never had that happen, fortunately. We have many great reviews. And a long list of satisfied customers. Please give us a call if you want your windows cleaned and your house pressure washed. Our phone number is 612-919-4185. Again, our phone number is 612-919-4185, or you can find us on the web. Absolutely clean window washing. We specialize in residential pressure washing, window cleaning, and gutter cleaning. We also do commercial. If you'd like your windows to sparkle and the exterior of your home to shine, please give us a call at 612-919-4185 anytime. We look forward to your call. We do offer free estimates, and we are available 7 days a week for your convenience. Again, our phone number is 612-919-4185. Thank you so much and have a great day. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, our number is 612-919-4185. Thank you so very much. And to conclude this video, I'm going to take you for a small walk around this home here. We got some windows down here. We've already pressure washed the siding down here. I think it looks very nice. It's still a little wet, as you can tell. And there's some windows up there on the deck. Over here, we've already pressure washed all this stuff over here. Maybe I'll just take you for a little walk around. We also did the garage on this property. Pressure washed it and did the windows inside and out. The garage was very, very bad. It had never been pressure washed. We did this home here last year, windows and pressure washing. And this year he wanted us to do the garage. And so that is the home we're doing here near Annandale, Minnesota. Please give us a call. You will not be disappointed. We take pride in our work, and the owner is always on the job site. Please give us a call at 612-919-4185. Thank you so much.